What is up, y'all? Back with another video for today. We're getting right back into Chainsaw Man. We are on episode 7, The Taste of a Kiss. Last episode, Denji jumped out that room after Aki took that stab room from Kobani for him. And he about to fight the Eternity Devil.
Oh yeah, I forgot that's what happened.
Yeah, it's been about a week since we watched a couple episodes, so getting right back into it. So let's do it.
Oh.
Gotta get my favorite drink. Makima lucky she ain't here. Know what I'm saying?
Ew.
All right. That's playing that song in the background. This is actually the first time any of them have seen him in his chainsaw form, besides Power.
Oh. He can just get blood from the... Oh.
Because remember how the bat, when it drank his blood, it like healed?
Aki君、一緒にさ、民間に転職しない？かなりいい額でお誘い来てるんだ。10野郎なんて追わなくてもさ、お昼はここかどっかで食べて、帰りはたまに映画行って、そういう毎日でいいじゃん。
飲みならいくらでも付き合います。でも民間には絶対行きませんよ。
10の悪魔と戦ったら絶対アキ君は殺される。私たちがまだ実力不足だからでも、相手が一瞬で何百人も殺せる悪魔だからでもない。だってアキ君はかっこよくて真面目で優しくて。
Same way I'm in love with Makima.
この男なら
ひらめいたぜ。てめえが俺に切られて血流して、俺がてめえの血飲んで回復か。永久期間が完成しちまったね。これでノーベル賞は俺もんだぜ。
この最高にネジがぶっ飛んでる男なら
Oh, his tongue!
殺せるかもしれない。
どのくらい経ちましたか？
あれから3日くらいかな。
Wait, what happened?
飲みに行こう。
It's been 3 days.
終わったからちょっと眠るわ。
What's she doing?
Aki's so
He was fighting him for 3 days? Or he still is?
Yeah.
もう終わるのか？プール入ってるみてえで気持ちよかったのによ。
それがさ、小紅ちゃんと新井くんが公安やめるっつってんだよね。悪魔が怖くなっただけじゃなく、
The two that were just with them, they're talking about quitting.
They
didn't even do anything.
They got traumatized. Did you not see Kobe, how she was acting? She was acting crazy.
マキマさん、あちこちに行くのに最近は東京にいるのってデンジ君がいるからでしょ。デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのか。
Wait, that means he gets his prize? Was that the thing he needed to defeat?
That wasn't the gun devil, no.
Oh.
But remember, Himeno was like, I'll give you a kiss with tongue. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
And he's like,
道に迷っちゃって。コベちゃん、コベちゃ
Aww.
ん、こっちおいで。マキマさん遅れてくるって。
パフェ3つ、あと白玉お膳3つで。
Frankie, that's how you eat.
Like, how?
コベちゃんお金ほとんど家入れてるもんね。たくさん食べな。これなんですか。唐揚げは全部おしのじゃ。
See?
And the way he's in disgust.
Oh my god, damn. Damn, little lady. You sure know how to put it away.
読める感じが少ねえ。キスの件は。
おお。シラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさ。もっと酔ったらしてあげる。こういうやつ。デンジ君をみんなで殺そうとしたこと許してね。
ああ、もう超許すよ。超。
新人歓迎会なんだから新人は立って自己紹介。
まあバンバン死んでくよね。私の同期ももう公安にいないし。デンジ君は私とキスしたいから死なないもんね。
姫野は良い。
He's like, hell yeah.
ここにいる新人以外みんな姫野にキスされてるよ。逃げられねえからな。
確定キスじゃん。
Ugh.
俺今日ファーストキスしちゃうんだ。
キス？マキマさん。すいません。生一つお願いします。
She's just perfect.
誰かとキスするの？
しません。
ああ、キスしないの？
しまーす。
He's like, I don't know what to do.
Oh my
You're gonna kiss somebody? Hell no. So we're not? Yeah, we are.
姫野さんとキスするとか、マキマさんに見られたくない。
チューしないの？
でも同じくらい強い気持ちでやっぱりベルキスしたい。
マキマさんはデンジのこと何か知ってるんじゃないですか。
私より飲んだら教えてあげる。
すいません、生2つ。
私もそれやる。生もう一つ。
They about to get lit.
Golly.
Dang, Frankie, calm down.
That's why I love Power. She's cool.
すいません。生もう一つ。おや。
Oh my. He can't even enjoy himself.
さんに見られた。でもなんだ。この感触が舌。気持ちいい。柔らかい柔らかい。なんだこれ。舌？口の中でとろけてるぞ。舌じゃない。ゲロだ。
Ew.
トラウマだなこりゃ。
Ugh. Ew. Why did he swallow it? Oh, well, he did used to eat nasty stuff all the time.
How the mighty have fallen.
姫野先輩には自制心が足りないんだ。
God.
羨ましいだと。こっちやよ。ファーストキスはゲロの味だぜ。
Oh God.
羨ましい。
Ugh. I would be so mad at her.
And that's why the episode's called The Taste of a Kiss.
Ugh.
新井君は
水
The puke girl. And her pants too.
ありゃでんじ君なんで私ん家にいんの
Does that mean he got drunk off of her
ナキ
bar?
さんのことラブでしょ
Me too.
クラする
あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのにもう
How dare she?
もうあんな照れちゃってさもう牛しちゃう
Oh my gosh. Can he restrain himself?
It should have been me, not him. Me. It's
With-
not fair.
Frankie, she's a bop. You really want to like fuck with her when she been fucking with the team, like everyone?
You make a good point. But
Disgusting.
you make a good point, but damn it. She
Oh
just
my
she just looked good too though. Something about her must be the eye patch. I don't know.
Just admit it now. You like bops.
Makima,
Truth comes
Makima
out.
is not a bop. Anyway, I hope y'all liked that episode. Remember to like and comment. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into the next one. So we will see you there. Peace.